Buddhist family called me a betrayer when I became a Christian. They accused me of believing in an evil spirit. It was very difficult for me when I became a Christian. My brother's a monk. My sister's a Buddhist nun. Others in my family hold even higher positions in the religion. They have often attacked my faith. I always pray for my family. I believe that God can change them. I certainly cannot. I believe in my God, the God of the Bible. He is almighty, so I have hope for my family. If the government knows that we are gathering together to practice Christianity, we could have big trouble. So we must meet in secret, very quietly and carefully, always in groups of less than 20 people. I have not reached out to people as much as I want to. I'm afraid sometimes. I often feel like a coward. I want to be more bold.